Hello friends, welcome to DJI Light Studio. Today we are going to unbox DJI Osmo Hanging Neck Mount Max. So let's get started. It's a nice hanging mount, strong, durable, looks like it has wire in it, and an action camera can easily be mounted on this one. So this button on the side maybe can release the lock here. Let's try it. Oh yes, it can take this out, so you can easily wear around your neck and just press this in once you're done. This can be used to hang your Osmo 360, all the action cameras, and it's really nice to have this one. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to subscribe my channel. Thank you.